Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jim Price. I'm a teacher at Brighton and Sussex Medical School, and I'm an elected board member of ASME for this year, finishing today. So I'm very pleased and proud to introduce a colleague and friend for many years. Fred's got a lot to get through, especially the title of his talk, so I won't summarize it here. I promised I'd say just 5 words, and I'll say, Fred, father of the hidden curriculum, if that's one word. So over to you, Fred.
Thank you, Jim. I asked Jim just to keep it like 5 words or less.